Hey Stampers, it's Madeline from the Wonderland-Stamper.com. I'm going to be doing a mini series of videos to help new demonstrators learn their way around the demonstrator website and other resources that we have, whether you're a hobby demo or a regular demonstrator who does classes and events. This mini series will help answer some of the questions that you have. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Madeline. I'm the Wonderland Stamper. I have a team of stampers called the Wonderland Stampers, and I am over on my blog at thewonderlandstamper.com. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I do Stampin' Sundays, videos like this, planning videos, 30-second Thursday. We have a really good time here on the channel. So this first video is just going to simply show you how to do an order. So how to do a demonstrator order, how to do an order if you're having an event, and how to do an order for a customer. So let's get started. First, I went to my.stampinup.com and hit enter, and I signed in with my demonstrator ID and password. If you have any issues with what your demonstrator ID is, you should have gotten an email when you signed up. If not, you can always call Stampin' Up, 1-800-STAMP-UP, and they are very helpful. All right, so underneath ordering, so once you're logged in, this is the screen that you'll see with the promotions that are going on. Where you see ordering, you're going to click on that. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a demonstrator order, because when you're a demonstrator, you have your first 6 months, you have to get $300 in sales. So whether that is you buying or a customer buying or customers buying, within the first 6 months as a demonstrator, you have to get $300 under your belt. After that, it's $300 every quarter. And you get a discount, which is awesome. So you get 20 up to 25% off depending on your status. And so you want to make sure you know how to order for yourself and for a customer, because that's really the what you need to do in order to stay a demonstrator. So I've clicked on ordering, and underneath placing orders, you can click on demonstrator order. So let's click on that. It'll load up on us. This is the page that'll load up. You want to make sure that it's shipping to the demonstrator. It's your phone number, email, and all of your address information down below this is correct before you click on the next button. You can change your shipping method here from normal to second day, next day air, 3-day. Those are a lot more expensive, so just be aware that you're going to have a higher price at the end of your order if you choose one of those shipping ways. At the bottom of this page, there'll be a little saved button down here. You'll click on that and it'll advance you to the next screen, which is merchandise. Once you're on merchandise, this is where you're adding your items. So whether you know the item number, you can type it in here, or you need to search for it with the name of what the product is. You click on this and you just build up your list. So let's just do an example. I'm going to click on the magnifying glass and I'm going to put in Whisper White and just see what comes up. I've typed it in, I've hit search. Let's see, I'm going to say, all right, I want the baker's twine here, solid Whisper White. Okay, so it puts the number in here. You need to hit add and it'll load it up. It's nice because it gives you some options of other things that people have ordered, and it's helped me because it's reminded me of some things that I need, this box here. All right, so once you put in all of your orders, over here is your totals, okay? So it has the retail amount, the shipping and handling tax, and what you're getting off. So I get 25% off. So it shows you when your whole order is done how much you're really getting off, which is a great tool for you to see. It is just like a party order. So if you hit 150, you start to earn Stampin' Rewards. If you get to 450, you get a half off item. So it's really nice because just like a customer or party order, you are getting this 25% off, but you're also getting the party rewards and the half off. So what I usually do is I wait to order until I have a very large order for my inventory. That way I can get a lot more for free. I'm getting that discount, and then I'm also getting the Stampin' Rewards. Down here you'll see your CSV, so this is how much is going towards your total for that quarter, so that's very important to look at as well. Then you're going to hit continue. This is where your Stampin' Rewards would come up, and then your half off item, and then after you do this, you'll be at the confirmation page. Before the summary, you have your payment, so you want to make sure that you have a card that's saved on file. I'll show you how to do that next. Or you can put an alternative card in right here if you need to use a different one for this payment. Then you'll hit next, and then it'll just bring you to a confirmation page that says, is the address correct, is the order okay, and then hit place order. I'm going to show you now how to do a workshop order. So we're going to get out of this. You're going to click on ordering, and then you just hit on workshop order. You're going to want to pick a host. So that's the only thing that's different, is you're going to pick a host, and what you're going to want to do is pick your host here, and then if it's an online party, like you have people who are going to be ordering from your online shop for it, you'll want to click on get host code, and that'll pop up numbers here. I'll show you. And if the host isn't one of your customers, you are going to do new customer, and then you would just hit continue. Then you get the option of either shipping to the host or shipping to demonstrator. It's up to you which one you want to do, and then you just hit save down on the bottom here, just like your demonstrator order. Okay, and then this is where it differs from our orders. Once you have your host in there, you hit the save button of who your host is. This is where you place your orders in the back. Okay, so some people can place their orders online on your online shop, put the code, and they're all set. But other customers want to order through you either at the event or over the phone or email. This is where you're going to be in order to do that. So you're going to choose a customer here, click on continue, enter in their order, and then there's a button that says next customer, and then you go through the order just like you would your order by checking it, putting the Stampin' Rewards in, all of that. I am going to show you though that the host side of things is a little bit different. So when you got all of your guest orders in, you're then going to have your host's order to put in. So put in the merchandise that she wants to make it so that she gets more product in Stampin' Rewards. And then on this same page, as you scroll down above customer payments, will be a box for Stampin' Rewards and a box for half off item if she earned that. So everything is on one page for the host, which is different than before. So just make sure that you don't miss it. Now, the last one is just a customer order. So you click on ordering, you click on customer order, and it looks just like our order. So I'm not going to show you that just because it's a little redundant. But I do want to show you, if you click on modify existing order, this is where you'll pull up orders that you've done and then have to go back to, okay? So like the one we were just in for the workshop, I'm going to click on the order number here, and then it brings me back into the order. So you can always X out and come back, which I really like about this. You can start making up an inventory for yourself in a demonstrator order, and then close it and come back and keep adding things. And that's what I do just to keep the order large during celebration, because I want to earn some stuff. Let me show you where you need to add in your payment information. If you click where your name is up here along the top, and you click on Demonstrator Payment Profile, that's what you're going to want to click on, and that will show you, I have a bank account and a credit card attached, and then you also put what credit card you want your demonstrator business DBWS paid through, and I'll do that in another video to show you how to set up your DBWS. That's an awesome thing. That's the only way people can find you online, so you definitely want that activated. And demonstrators who are just starting out get the first few months for free. So I hope this answers your question about ordering. If you have any other questions about ordering or about a video that you'd like that'll answer some of the questions you have about being a demonstrator, I'd love you to comment down below. If you want to join the Wonderland Stampers, it's awesome. Click over on the wonderlandstamper.com and you can click on join the Wonderland Stampers and dive right in. But please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Comment below, email me, do my contact form over on the wonderlandstamper.com. I'd love to get in contact with you. For now, thanks for watching and keep stamping, Stampers. Bye.